Hi, and welcome to Simple Logistics. So today we are going to discuss a little bit further about autonomous vehicles. We discussed this issue the other day, and I said that autonomous vehicles were something for the near future. The technology, hardware-wise, is ready. We are capable to deploying autonomous vehicles. I mentioned the problems with responsibility in case of accidents, who would have the responsibility, the driver in a driverless vehicle, or the manufacturer, or who would have the blame, the responsibility in case of an accident, and would insurance companies cover accidents in autonomous vehicles? Would they have policies covering autonomous vehicles? So all these questions are things that are holding back the adoption of autonomous vehicles in our roads today. But I forgot to mention that in off-road applications, like in crops and in mines, there are already autonomous vehicles. We have agricultural equipment that is autonomous already. It uses GPS and waypoints in a navigation computer to take care of the crops. And also in the mining industry, there are now a lot of autonomous trucks. Both the main producers of this type of off-road equipment, off-road trucks, which are Caterpillar and Komatsu, they have already deployed their own versions of autonomous trucks. And minds everywhere have been adopting these solution because we already discussed drivers, human drivers are hard to find, especially for these kind of dedicated equipment. It's increasingly difficult to find human drivers. They tend to be a cost, they tend to be a liability, they can cause accidents on a rate that's much higher than the artificial intelligence in the autonomous vehicles. Especially in the mining industry, you are in a very dangerous environment. So you want as little as possible of workers there exposed to danger. If you can operate a mine 100% with autonomous equipment, that's the direction that companies want to take because that will put humans away from danger. Mines, there are explosions. Sometimes mines can get flooded or they can collapse. All sorts of accidents can happen in a mine. If they can exchange their human drivers for artificial intelligence, they are going to do so, and they already started doing that. And in mines or in farms, the common traffic rules, the common traffic authorities don't work in these private areas. So you can use autonomous vehicles without any problems with, legislation, which is a concern for automotive companies. They are trying to push the autonomous technology for common everyday cars, for passenger cars. Legislation is still not ready for autonomous vehicles anywhere in the world. Any accident, as we heard before with Tesla, with a few others, any sort of an accident can result in a lawsuit against the manufacturer. This has been the main obstacle to the adoption of the autonomous technology on roads and on cities. It's even more difficult to drive within the urban areas than it is on highways, for example. but the legislation, the insurance industry, is not yet mature for autonomous vehicles in that area, different from farming and the mining industry are already an early adopter of this technology, and it has been working great for them so far. So I think most companies will want to get involved in that to kind of tune the technology to improve their softwares until the time that we have good legislation for the adoption of autonomous vehicles on the road. Okay, so that is my main takes for autonomous vehicles today. Thank you for following us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified when we upload new videos. Okay? Thank you. Bye.